Hey guys, it's John here with Durango, the 2021 Hellcat Durango. I wanted to show you guys what you need to do if you're trying to spin this thing. First off, obviously make sure traction control is off, but there's a little bit more to it, and it's something that don't pop right out at you. There's not necessarily a button for it. All right, so here we go. Now it won't work if you're not in track mode. So see here, traction control is off. But what you want to do to make sure the ESC is full off is hold this thing down. I'm holding it down. Only available in track. So take the thing to track mode. Traction control's off. You can see the yellow line. Alright, let's do the full press. Traction control's off. Wait. ESC full off. Now go have some fun.